Hello, how's it going? Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thanks to Joanne for giving me permission to send this video over to you guys. Now, I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy. It's bug season, and I know you guys are killing it out there. But this video is just informational, educational, showing you guys how to increase your online presence, right? Just using the power of Google and just some of the knowledge that I know that I can share with you guys. Any and all information that I'm going to share here with you guys can totally utilize, use to however you like. Again, this is just information, okay? Now, there's three things that we're going to talk about today. The first one being content, the second one being backlinks, and then lastly, we're going to talk about citations, okay? Now, as I was scrolling through your website here, I noticed that it's super easy to use, very, very straightforward, pretty professional looking, and I really appreciated these testimonials here from your customers. That was really, really great, right? It gives you a sense of home, right, or a sense of care, seeing that all these people actually love your service, and that's great. That's great to see. Unfortunately, though, Google doesn't really care how good a website is or how many customers you have, to be honest with you. In order for you to be visible, they need to see that you have enough content, that you have enough keywords to answer the questions that people have on Google, relevant to your service, you know, to the services you offer. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of your content here. Everything here is content, so I'm going to highlight it all, and then I'm going to see exactly how many words you have here on your website. Okay, all right, so 897 words. Okay, so a dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words. Okay, so you're almost there. You know, all you need is a couple of hundred. Even if you wanted just to hit over that 1,000, that would easily help you become more visible online. Okay, now I would recommend you using some keywords that are local to your area. So pest control, Corpus Christi, Texas, pest control, Corpus, pest control services, Corpus Christi, things like that would definitely help increase your visibility and your online relevancy, okay? Now, the second thing that I want to talk to you about is backlinks, and I went on ahead and put your website in my tool here. It's called Ahrefs. Now, this is a paid tool. Considering I am in the industry, this just allows me to see what's going on in the background of your website. You know, kind of pulls the curtain back to see exactly what's making it go, how many backlinks you have, how many people are actually viewing your website per month. And you can use any tool you'd like out there, you know, like Keywords Researcher for free. You can do Backlink Checker for free on Google, and you can basically see the same thing that I am. Okay. Now, referring domains are just the number of websites that are pushing traffic towards your website, right? And this shows, the backlink shows how many times these websites are doing exactly that. You have 20 keywords, and you have roughly one person visiting your website per month. Now, again, this is a tool, so not all tools are perfect, right? So give or take, okay? Bringing you $8 in traffic value. Now, if we go over here to your competitors, all right, they have 125 referring domains, 610 backlinks, and with 1,100 organic keywords, and they have 555 people roughly visiting their website per month, and that brings their traffic value up to $4,700. So there's a lot of money that you're leaving on the table by not making yourself more relevant on Google, right, or online, right? That's kind of the future of the world these days, right? So let's see. Unfortunately, though, you know, not all backlinks are created equal. As you can see, yours here, like yours isn't getting as nearly as much power as these guys over here. Not all backlinks are created equal. Considering, you know, you guys are not a KFC or an Arby's or anything like that, Google knows that you're not a restaurant, right? Your business isn't a restaurant, so there's no need to have any backlinks or referring domains that are restaurants referring back or pushing traffic to you. It doesn't build trust to Google. What they want to see is other pest control companies or a pest control forum or blog that's pushing traffic to you, right? It builds trust. It helps them know that these other websites are actually vouching for you. You know what I mean? So let's see. So, all right. So the last thing I'm going to talk to you about are citations. All right, and citations are what helps you, get you to here on the map pack. Let's see. I'm going to go to Corpus Christi, pest control in Corpus Christi. All right, see, as you can see, Fox Pest Control is here, number one. Now that's what helps you get here on the map pack. And if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? So most people, including myself, don't scroll all the way down here and try and find what they're looking for on the 4th or 5th page of Google. You know what I mean? Most people find everything they need here in the map pack. Considering people are on their phones almost all day, this is where they're going to go, right? They're rarely going to go scroll past here to the 2nd or 3rd page. So this is why I say this is the moneymaker. This is where all the traffic goes to. This is where you're going to find the most customers. And this is where the customers are going to find what they need. Okay, and now the way we get on here into this map pack is with citations. And citations are anywhere that your business can be found in a directory. All right, and a directory is places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Home Advisor. You've got Angie's List. All those are directories, okay? And you would just need to enter your name, your business name, your phone number, your email address. If they allow you to put your website on there, you can do that as well. And that would help build your citations, okay? Which allows you to be here on this map pack. And now I hope I've explained that to you perfectly, okay? If not, you can definitely reach out to me and I can help you in any way, okay? Now there's 2 things that you can do, right? So there's 2 choices you can make. So the first one is you can take this information for yourself and apply it yourself. Do the research, ensure that you up your content, ensure that you bring up your backlinks by checking on your competitors' backlinks and applying those to yours. And then lastly is upping your citations, right? By putting your business name, phone number, address, and email address on your on all these different directories. Okay? Or if you're looking to outsource some help in any way, you can definitely reach out to me. Obviously, I'm in the industry, and I could help you in any way that you need. All right. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and hopefully I can talk to you later. Have a wonderful day.